Hey guys, it's Wolf here back with another video. Thank you so much for watching. In this video, I will show you step by step how to buy any cryptocurrency on Binance. I will also show you as a bonus how to sell any cryptocurrency on Binance. And I will show you also, if you watch till the end of this video, I will show you also how to trade any cryptocurrency on Binance. So look, I've been in cryptocurrencies late 2016, so I've been through the bear and bull markets. I have made a lot of YouTube videos about cryptocurrencies, my price predictions, and all types of videos, tutorials. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel and like this video. That would help me so much. But let's get going, guys. And the first thing that you ultimately want to do is to sign up on Binance. If you still haven't signed up on Binance, you can check that link in description. You will save 20%. It's 100% free to sign up on Binance, so go ahead and sign up right now because I highly recommend Binance. I've been using a lot of cryptocurrency exchanges during these years that I have been in cryptocurrency, and Binance is by far one of the most trusted, and it just always works. You know what I'm saying? There's never any issues. I have never had any issues with Binance, not single one during these 3 years that I have been using Binance. Okay, so first of all, Binance is the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, and you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies in minutes. And let me show you how. So when you create your Binance account, you will be given a wallet. It's a cryptocurrency wallet. So when you go wallet and fiat and spot, you can see your cryptocurrency wallet. I will show you my Binance wallet right now, and it's something like this. Okay, it's exactly like this. Well, you will have different numbers here depending on what cryptocurrencies you have. They all will show up here. You can every time you buy and sell and trade cryptocurrencies, everything will show up right here. Okay, so I just want to first show you that because it's very important to understand. Okay, and basically now I'm going to show you how to buy any cryptocurrency on Binance. So it's very easy. So all you have to do is go to buy crypto here, and it will show euros here right now because I'm currently in Europe. But for example, if you are in United States watching this video, it will show USD. It will show the currency that you have in your country, depending on where you use the Binance platform. But anyway, you have 5 options to pay with: bank deposit, credit and debit card, P2P trading, cash balance, and third-party payment, Simplex and Banxa. Out of these 5, I have used all of these 3. I have never used these, but I have used third-party payment by Simplex, credit and debit card, and bank deposit. Now I'm currently only using credit and debit card because it's so it's so simple. Let me show you. So let's click that. So you can straight up buy cryptocurrencies with your credit card or debit card. It's crazy. When I started in 2016, it wasn't like it wasn't like this. Okay, I'm just telling you, it wasn't as easy as it is now. And so basically all you have to do is come here and click the credit and debit card, and here, boom, you can buy cryptocurrency straight up with your credit card. Okay, and you can't buy all of the cryptocurrencies because there are 9,000 like 9,000 different cryptocurrencies. You can't buy all of those cryptocurrencies with your credit card. Okay, but you can buy these cryptocurrencies straight up with your credit card. In a moment, I'm going to show you how to buy any cryptocurrency on Binance. Okay, so I just first wanted to show you this, that if you don't have any cryptocurrencies, you first need some cryptocurrencies on your Binance account, because that way you can start trading. Okay, so let's say that we will buy Bitcoin now. Okay, so let's buy some Bitcoin. So just select how much Bitcoin you want to buy, and there's how to buy bank card. So input amount, select how much you want to buy, and then click buy BTC, and then it will confirm payment details, complete safety certification, and complete payment. Okay, and it will take just a minute to go through this 1, 2, 3, 4 easy steps. But after you have gone through these steps, when you go back to your wallet, the Bitcoin you just bought will show up right here on your wallet. Okay, so the same method works with all of these cryptocurrencies that you see here. You can buy any of these cryptocurrencies straight up with your credit card. All you have to do is select how much you want to buy and just click buy and just follow the 4 steps. Okay, all of these cryptocurrencies. But if the cryptocurrency that you see here or if the cryptocurrency that you want to buy is not here, you don't see it here, all you have to do is first buy the cryptocurrency that can trade to it. So let me show you. So in this example, let's imagine that I just bought some Bitcoin. I don't have anything in my account and I just bought some Bitcoin. Now with that Bitcoin, I can come to here, trade, classic, and here's the trading desk, okay? So here are sell orders and here are buy orders. Let me show you. Let's say that I just bought some Bitcoin. Now when I come to this search here and type in BTC, here are all of the pairs that Binance has for Bitcoin. So let's say that you want to, for example, buy ELF. Let's say that you want to buy ELF, okay? So all I have to do is here is type in ELF, and you can see that ELF has BTC and Ethereum pairings. So now what that means is that you first have to own Bitcoin or Ethereum and then trade that Bitcoin or Ethereum into ELF. Now in this example, I just bought some Bitcoin and I'm like, yeah, I have Bitcoin. So let's trade that Bitcoin into ELF. So click that, the thing that you want to trade. And look, we are now trading the Bitcoin into ELF. And what we see here is sell orders, people who are selling ELF. And what we see here is orders to people who are buying ELF. And to do these trades, we are using Bitcoin, okay? Here is limit order, which means that if you, for example, think that the price is going to drop, you can put your own price here. And when you put the order here, whenever the price, for example, drops to this exact number that you put here, then your order will execute. But I don't never use limit orders because I don't like it, because for example, if the price never drops, you will never buy the cryptocurrencies. That's why I like to buy with market buy. So market buy basically means that Binance automatically takes the lowest price for you and buys with that. So you will get instantly the cryptocurrencies that you want. So click market and then you have here buy ELF. So just select how much ELF you want to buy. Remember, we are now buying with Bitcoin. So we are selling our Bitcoins and trading that into ELF. For example, if I want to trade all of the Bitcoins that I own into ELF, all I have to do is go to 100% and then click buy ELF. Then the trade will execute, and when I go back to my wallet, the ELF will show up right here that I just bought. Okay, so I first bought Bitcoin with my credit card here, and then I traded that Bitcoin into ELF. Now you can do this with anything. So for example, you come here to trade and you are thinking, for example, yeah, I want to buy some Cardano ADA. All you have to do here is type, let me show you. So this exchange works, sorry. This exchange works with these tickers here. So for example, if you want to buy Cardano ADA, all you have to do is come here and type in ADA. And look, here are all the pairings for ADA. So let's say that you want to, for example, buy ADA. You can see that it has Bitcoin pairing. Now all you have to do is go to here and buy the Bitcoin, and after that, the Bitcoin is in your wallet. And then you come to the trade and classic and type in ADA here and click ADA/BTC. And then just click market. So you're market buying the ADA, so you will automatically get the lowest pricing, so it will instantly buy it and trade your Bitcoins into ADA. Then you select how much ADA you want to buy. For example, if you select 50%, that means that you're selling 50% of your Bitcoins and trading that into ADA. But if you go with 100%, that means that you're selling all of the Bitcoin you own and trade that into ADA. And when you click buy ADA, the trade will go instantly and the ADA Cardano will show up in your wallet. Okay? Now that's how you buy any cryptocurrency. For example, now you have the ADA. Now you can come here and sell that ADA, for example, BNB. So you just come here, trade, classic, and type in ADA, and now you can sell it for like BNB. Let's click BNB, and here's how you sell cryptocurrencies. All you have to do is the same exact thing. You click what you want and then go to market, so it will instantly sell it and you will instantly get the cryptocurrency. Then here, sell ADA. Select how much you want to sell, and when you click sell, then the trade will execute and you will sell all of your Cardano ADA to BNB. I hope that this makes sense. This is how you trade any cryptocurrency on Binance. You can buy any cryptocurrency on Binance. It's very easy and very simple. Okay, and now for a last bonus part, let's see. So yeah, for the best, I don't want to keep you forever here. So last bonus part, how you cash out. So for example, the ADA now. If you want to sell the ADA for cash, all you have to do is come here again, click trade, classic, and type in ADA, and you can see here Cardano ADA/euros. So it will say the currency that you're, for example, like I said, I'm in Europe, so I have euros, but if you are in USD, it will say, yeah, ADA/USD. So click that, and here click market, and here it says sell ADA. Then just select how much ADA you want to sell and click sell, and then it will sell your ADA for euros. And if you're, for example, in the United States, it will say ADA and USD here, so you will sell all of your ADAs to USD. So that's how you buy any cryptocurrency. So first you can't buy all of the cryptocurrency with your credit card. You first have to buy, for example, Bitcoin, and then come here and start trading that Bitcoin into other cryptocurrencies. Okay, so that's how it works. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. That would help me a lot. Also smash that like button and rewatch this video if you because it would be very helpful. If you are very beginner, just watch this video again, it's very helpful. And then you're good to go, guys. And in the link in the description you can sign up on Binance. And also I would highly recommend you to watch more videos on this channel, on my channel, because they are very helpful. Okay, and thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in the next videos. Now you know exactly how to buy, sell cryptocurrencies, any cryptocurrency on Binance. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys.